Hello and welcome to CIO 500 and Enterprise IT World Accelerator X Awards 2025. This is second event and we are in Hyderabad Hotel ITC Kohinoor. We have been speaking to the thought leaders from the customer side, so also from the vendor side. One of the India's unique and initial first is ISKCON, and I have the privilege to speak to the vice president of the company who also takes care of marketing. Her name is Shweta Thackeray. So Shweta, thank you very much for
Thank you,
coming.
sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's our honor to be part of this event. Last year we were there for all the cities. This year also we have booked ourselves for all the cities. Chennai event was very good. Hyderabad again it's very superb. And we will move on to the other events also in the next coming months.
Excellent. What are the products that you are showcasing or services that you are showcasing here?
Sir, I would say not the product, but now I would say we are focusing more on the services what we are providing. So we are providing EDR, XDR, then we have enterprise DLP solutions, patch management. And why I am saying services, because nowadays it's not only product. You have to give add-on with the product, do the customization for the customers, look at what their pain areas are and provide a solution or a service accordingly. So I would say we are solutions plus services, not only the product.
So when it comes to EDR and XDRs, there are MNC brands also. You are
Right, right.
maybe one single out Indian company, which is Indian MNC. You have got
Right.
operations outside
Right,
also.
right.
How do you see this competition? Is it healthy, and how are you outperforming them?
Yeah, so I would not say like we are everywhere outperforming, but definitely we are giving a very tough fight to all the big brands which are there in the market. And I would say the biggest, our USP is that our footprints are as per the Indian market or as per the Asian, whatever you can say, the infra is there. Footprints are very small. Our console, from one console we are giving all the features whatever is the customer is looking for, not like different console wherein they need different administrator to take care of the console. So like I have DLP with me, I have patch management with me, I have EDR, XDR. So everything combined I can give through one single managed console to the customer, so it becomes a ease for him. And our products are very light. We don't need any higher end servers or a specialized operating system. We work even on the older versions of Windows operating. We provide solutions on Linux. So this is what makes us little ahead of the competition. And also we offer 24 by 7 telephonic, email support, and definitely on chat also to our customers, which plays a very important role.
And what about support or the services for the new age companies who are cloud first companies? They are born into cloud first.
Yeah, sir. We have both the products. We have on-prem, we have cloud. We even give SOC 2 cloud compliance solutions also, because we have lot of government customers who are using our products.
Excellent. What
Yeah.
is your roadmap now from product to services?
Yeah, right. The way I said earlier, we are not just a product company, so we have already into the like I would
Services
say
space
services.
also.
Yeah.
Yes, EDR,
So yeah,
XDR.
it's like solution plus services,
Mm-hmm.
which is like our combo offer, which goes to our customers. And when I would say strategy, like we want to get very deeper into SMB segment, as well as we are catering to corporate enterprise segment. So we are not leaving any segment untapped. So right from SMB to enterprise, we have the solution and we want to tap all those markets also. So we want to be present with banks, we want to be present with automobiles, manufacturing, the government we are doing already a very good job. Hospitals, we have few hospitals. We have some biggest university of Hyderabad which are our customers.
So any kind of OEM types that you are making,
Yeah.
so which can help.
We like I would say this is a very good question. We are already working with Acer.
Okay.
We are already working with Lenovo. So wherever their machines are going, my products are already bundled along with it, and it is going. So Acer, Lenovo is two of the biggest tie-up, and out of that, Acer is one of the biggest one. Where along with them, I am going to all the government customers where they are catering to. So that is the biggest OEM tie-up for us.
All right, excellent. Thank you very much
My
for coming
pleasure.
here.
All the pleasure is
And
mine.
wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.